So apparently, some people want a video, but they don't want just any video, they want one by a developer. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm in FusionFall Retro, and today we're gonna be playing this game. But you can't do much, you can only do 2 missions. I'm kidding, you can go until you get 2 nanos. Or is it 2 missions? I don't know, let's kill some spawns. So apparently in FusionFall Retro you can't talk to number 2. Oh wait, yeah you can. Apparently you can't accept missions. Oh wait, yeah you can. So apparently you can't kill monsters. Oh wait, yeah you can. Well, you obviously can't run around in a circle. I'm kidding, you can do that. Apparently, you can't speed hack. Well, I mean, you can't. But I'ma do it anyway. Oh yeah. And apparently, you can't buy stuff from the shop. But I'ma do it anyway. Apparently, you can't also warp to the past. I'ma do it anyway. And I'ma choose Dexter, cause you should choose him, not anybody else. Confirmed. I'm now in the past. Not really. And this is how I feel because I didn't teleport.